In this video, I will show you how to find MLB cheap tickets for the All-Star game. First of all, open up any web browser. Here, search for SeatGeek MLB All-Star game tickets. Scroll down below and you will find this link from SeatGeek. Click on it. Here you can see different type of game listed. If you focus on it, just below the game title, you will see this $11 written here. Whereas below it, there is $479 and $640 written here. If you want the cheap tickets, click on the one where $11 is written. Now you can see SeatGeek will filter out the cheapest tickets for you. $18, $22, $23, and here you can see cheapest in the section, best in the section filters also. After that, click the one that you want based on which row or which section you want to sit in. After that, from the bottom left corner, you can choose the number of tickets. Then click continue. Now put in your email, your phone number, put in your card details, and you will be able to check out and buy tickets for the MLB games. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.